I have the Arch-based Linux distro ArchLabs installed in a virtual machine. However, I haven't booted it up for months, which means it's really out of date. Will it break if I try and update it now? Let's find out. Okay, so here we are on my Mac desktop, and I've got the ArchLabs VM pulled up and ready to boot up. So let's start it up, see what happens. Alright, that's a good sign. So we are at the desktop and we are ready to go. We're going to go ahead and try and launch a terminal application here. Okay, so we've got Terminator open right here. I'm just going to clear this. Right, okay, so here is the magical moment of truth. So we're going to do sudo pacman gets syyu. I think this is right. I haven't done this for a while, as I say, but here we go. Then my password. That is not my password. There we go. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that as well. Yes. 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 So as you can see, there's quite a few updates here. Okay. Yes, this might take a while.
11 minutes later.
So if I can get these updates done and I can boot back into this with no problems at all, and then to me that is a success.
A lot of boring math later.
Updates and upgrades are a lot like watching paint dry.
2 days later.
Still going. My gosh, I hope this boots back up again. I have no idea what's going on here.
One winner later.
Okay, so it looks like a couple of packages failed, but overall I think it went okay. Next thing to try, I do have Yay installed on here, so we're going to try Yay and see how that goes. Okay, I thought I'd done some of this already, but apparently not. Yep, there's definitely a few things here that aren't happy. Yep, we seem to have a couple of things that are broken. I'll just try Yay one more time. Yeah, we seem to be having the same issue again. Errors occurred, no packages upgraded. Okay, so we'll see if we can fix that perhaps. Okay, we'll do a quick Google, see if we can figure that out. Looks like I need to refresh my keys. Okay, let's try that. Sorry, this browser is obscuring me, you can't see me. Pacman-key -- refresh keys. Oops, sorry. Here we go, this might do it. Okay, that failed as well, that's not good. Seems to be an issue with the keys. Right, okay guys, we seem to have gotten somewhere. We've now got it to recognise the keys, and the way I did it was I just ran this command. And that seems to have done the job. It's now updating, so we may be one step closer to getting this done. Okay, this is looking better. Okay. Looks like the AUR stuff's getting done now. Okay, this is looking good. Alright, that's what we've done. I'm just going to clear and just run Yay one more time. I think I needed to clean build the packages. Right, okay, that's complete. I'm going to clear again. Let's try one more time. Yeah, but all of these have been done, so why? Alright, I don't remember seeing it do this before, so maybe this is it. It just takes such a long time. Honestly, could have reinstalled the OS quicker, I think. But hey, it's a fun experiment.
4 to 6 more days later.
Alright, so it is much later and we have a fully upgraded and working ArchLabs system. Well, I say working, I need to actually reboot it and see if it boots back up. I had to run Yay quite a few times to get everything updated. There was a few things that needed to be built from source, so it took quite some time. I've managed to condense this video down into less than 10 minutes. This whole process has taken me about 3 hours. I kind of regret even beginning it, but hey, it's a fun video. Let's reboot now and see what happens. Alright, and we are at the desktop. Okay, so I've got the terminal launched. Just going to do a quick Yay just to make sure. Alright, and that's what I want to see. There was a couple of error messages when I was booting this up, but I think that's related to the window size and the screen resolution. I normally run this virtual machine full screen. But there you go, guys. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will catch you in the next video.